From a live web page to a structured dataset, Minexa.ai compresses days of engineering work into a few clicks or a single API call to scrape restaurant listings easily. Go to the travelwisconsin.com page with your restaurant listings. Minexa reads the fully rendered page and prepares it for extraction. Launch Minexa.ai. Everything starts from this single browser panel to begin scraping. Click the violet button, I'm on the right page, so Minexa.ai can scan the page and detect all restaurant listings automatically. The full result set is within reach. Minexa.ai found the pagination and will browse through every page on each run. Select whether to scrape only the visible restaurant list or also visit each listing's detail page for full info. Most pages work with continue. Use advanced mode only if results need filters, expansions, or prompts to appear. Confirm the highlighted section and click Create Scraper. Minexa generates a reusable scraper you can run anytime via extension or API. Every field is detected and structured. Names, locations, links, and nested details are ready. Pick what you need or grab everything at once. Developers can click the API request button to get code that scrapes saved HTML files instead of live pages each time. Validate and complete your configuration. Any missing fields will be blank rather than guessed, ensuring clean, accurate data. Every page is included automatically. Minexa saves and applies pagination patterns each time you run this scraper. Your scraping job is ready. Optionally connect Google Sheets for automatic data updates every run. Click Run and extraction starts. Dynamic content, lazy loading, and client-rendered pages are handled automatically without extra setup. All of this was extracted automatically. Details like restaurant names, addresses, contact info, and more appear accurately. No manual coding or complex setup was needed, making data collection fast and reliable for your restaurant listings. Download your data as Excel for quick analysis or JSON to integrate with your tools and pipelines instantly. Install Minexa.ai and turn any website into a structured dataset in minutes. No selectors, infrastructure, or maintenance needed.